Today, we solve more story problems. We have lemons, biscuits, pencils, and pizzas. Can you solve them all? Let's try together. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our math lesson. Today we learn word problems. We read, we think, then we solve. Let's begin.
Look and match.
Look at picture 1. There are 34 biscuits on the table. Mike puts 17 more biscuits on the table. How many biscuits are there all together? We add. 34 plus 17 equals 51. 34 plus 17 equals 51. So we say there are 51 biscuits all together. Great job! Now look at picture 2. There were 34 biscuits on the table. Mike takes away 17 biscuits. How many biscuits are left on the table? We subtract. 34 minus 17 equals 17. 34 minus 17 equals 17. So we say there are 17 biscuits left. Excellent.
Listen, point and repeat. 1,
I have 13 lemons. I add 18 more lemons. 13 plus 18 equals 31. There are 31 lemons in total.
2,
I have 32 biscuits. I take 15 biscuits away. 32 minus 15 equals 17. There are 17 biscuits left.
Now look at the first story. I have 13 lemons. I add 18 more lemons. How many lemons in total? We add. 13 plus 18 equals 31. 13 plus 18 equals 31. So we say there are 31 lemons in total. Good job. Now look at the second story. I have 32 biscuits. I take 15 biscuits away. How many biscuits are left? We subtract. 32 minus 15 equals 17. 32 minus 15 equals 17. So we say there are 17 biscuits left. Great!
1. Listen and complete. 1,
I have 11 bags. I add 19 more bags.
2,
I have 30 cups. I take 15 cups away.
3,
I have 48 cars. I add 12 more cars. 2. Complete and read.
Now complete and read. I have 24 pencils. I add 16 more pencils. 24
2.
plus
Complete and
16
read.
equals 40. There are 40 pencils in total. Now the next one. I have 36 pizzas. I take 17 pizzas away. 36 minus 17 equals 19. There are 19 pizzas left. Excellent.
Make addition and subtraction with cards.
Now let's play a game. We use number cards. Look carefully. First, 35 plus 28 equals 63. Now swap the numbers. 28 plus 65. 28 plus 35 equals 63. Same answer. Now subtraction. 63 minus 28 equals 35. 63 minus 35 equals 28. Next set. 32 plus 28 equals 60. 28 plus 32 equals 60. Now subtract. 60 minus 32 equals 28. 60 minus 28 equals 32. Amazing! Math is like a puzzle. Today, you solved word problems. You learned add for more, subtract for take away. Keep practicing every day. You're doing great. See you next time. Goodbye.